Alright guys, so what I'm going to do here today is I'm going to try to install my new used HVAC unit. So just on quick inspection here, you can see that there's a tab broken here, but this one over on this side is intact. So when I go to take the old one out, you'll see that that both tabs on the one actually in the car now are both broken. So I was kind of wondering how this thing is held in place, but you know, my old one's been out before, so you know, screws probably are missing or brackets are broken and things like that. So before I put it in, I applied some grease pretty much where everything moves, so on the gears and all that. So just to help keep things from binding in the future, I put some grease on that. So let's go ahead and install it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pop the knobs off the front here. And you know, like so, just take those off. And then there's going to be two screws down inside here, one here and one here. And once those are out, you can go ahead and pull this face off. Now of course mine didn't have these, so mine just easily pops. Okay, now that that's out of the way, we're going to have to take a couple things off here on the back. You got a little power clip there, and then you're going to have to take off these two clips here to get this off. One here, one there. So you're probably going to need to use, I'm going to use like some needle nose pliers and wedge it down in there. And you know, these two little plastic kind of like little teeth that stick out, you have to squeeze those in and then lift this up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Okay, so once you get the wire off the top of this, and then you got to pull it out of here, and of course the same with this one, and then with that there's also another electrical plug on the bottom of the housing. Pop that out, and then the whole unit will come out, and now we'll be ready for reassembly. Alright guys, so I mean that's pretty much it. I got the new one in. I have the cables hooked back up on the back side here, and I've got all the electrical connections plugged in. It's still a mess. I still need to put the trim plate back on, but other than that it's finished. So as you can also see here, this is broken. One of the tabs is broken, so it's not really gonna want to stay in there, but for the most part it's done. So, and there you go guys, all back together. Now this turns, as you can see, no broken knob. So I'm happy. Cable might still be a little tight under there, but it's working now. So alright guys, thank you.